Is Bluetooth not working on your Vizio TV, or your Bluetooth headphones, speakers or soundbar not connecting, or does your TV simplify not find your device? Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple and effective way to fix Bluetooth problem on your Vizio TV, from checking Bluetooth setting and pairing mode to power resetting and updating your TV. For the first fix is power reset the TV. Turn the TV off, unplug it for 60 seconds. Hold the TV's physical power button for 50 seconds and plug it back in and turn it on. Second fix is check Bluetooth support. Not every Vizio TV model supports Bluetooth audio. Check your model specification or manual. Some Vizio TV support Bluetooth only for certain device or features. Third fix is put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. Turn on your headphones and speakers or soundbar. Hold its Bluetooth pairing button until the indicator flashes. Keep it close to the TV. Please check the TV's Bluetooth menu. Depending on your Vizio model, look under Go menu and choose audio. Then choose for Bluetooth or Bluetooth headphones. Or go for settings and choose audio. Then go for Bluetooth devices. Fifth one is disconnect the device from other devices. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone, tablet or computer temporarily. Your headphones may automatically connect to the another device instead of the TV. One is remove and repair. If the device is already listened on the TV, remove or forget it. Restart both devices. Put the Bluetooth device into a pairing. Seventh one is try another Bluetooth device. Test a different pair of headphones or speaker. If another device works, the original Bluetooth device may be the problem. Eighth one is check the TV audio output. Make sure the TV is not still set to TV speakers or HDMI and optical. Select the Bluetooth device when available. Ninth one is update the Vizio TV. Look for menu and choose system, then go for check for update. Menu names can vary by model. 10th one is factory reset as a last resort. Look under menu and go for system, choose reset and admin, then go for reset TV to factory default. This erases your TV settings, accounts and network configuration. Important thing is, if your Vizio TV has no Bluetooth option anywhere in its settings, the model may not support Bluetooth audio. In that case, a Bluetooth transmitter connected to the TV's optical or 3.5 mm audio output may be an alternative. If you give me your exact Vizio TV model number, I can tell you whether it supports Bluetooth and the exact menu path to pair headphone speakers.